Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to use the Qwarta Home Credit to pay your bills. So, the Qwarta is a home or a virtual credit line offered by Home Credit. You can use it not only to buy on installment or buy a load, but also to pay your bills, tap upload, shop using QR, or do online shopping all under one wallet. So first is you just have to make sure that you have the official home credit app installed and the Qwarta is active for you. So open the app and on the dashboard you just have to select to pay your bills. So if you can find here to pay your bills, you just have to tap on it. So for example, I'm just going to tap on the shop option. Okay. And then after that, from the list of biller categories, you just have to choose the type of bill you want to pay. For example, electricity, water, internet, or etc. And then you just have to enter the required billing details, account, name, number, subscriber number, the amount to pay, and etc. Okay, so if you want to use the QR code as well, then you just have to tap on the QR code option that you can find here. And then when asked for payment method, just have to choose the Qwarta instead of cash or card. And then you just have to review the details carefully, then confirm the payment. Then the app may ask for a PIN or other authorization. And once successful, you will get a receipt or confirmation via the app. And that's your sign that the bill was paid. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.